In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Beds24 with Booking.com, and it's a straightforward process that can be accomplished in just a few steps. Make sure to follow along closely for a seamless integration. Before we dive in, ensure that your property is already listed on Booking.com, as this integration requires a pre-existing listing. First, let's head over to Beds24.com. This will be our starting point for the entire integration process. If you don't already have an account or aren't logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on Beds24.com, locate the area for channel management. This is crucial as the channel manager acts as the intermediary between Beds24 and Booking.com, essentially connecting and syncing the two platforms. When you find it, click on it to proceed. Next, look within the channel manager for an option that specifies Booking.com. Selecting this will signal to Beds24 that you intend to synchronize your property with Booking.com. Now we move on to syncing content. This step ensures that all your property's details, like availability and rates, are consistently updated across both platforms, minimizing the risk of discrepancies. Click on the Sync Content option to begin this process. As you go through this, you'll encounter a section labeled Specific Room Content. Click on it if you want details specific to certain rooms to be synchronized with Booking.com, which is especially useful when different rooms have unique features or pricing. Moving forward, you'll see an option labeled Import from Booking.com. Clicking this will pull existing data from your Booking.com listing into Beds24, ensuring that everything is in sync from the start. Once that's done, it's time to switch gears and head over to Booking.com. This is where we'll finalize our integration by obtaining a unique booking ID. This ID acts as a link between your Beds24 and Booking.com listings. After you secure your booking ID, paste it back into the designated area in Beds24. This step is essential for establishing the direct connection between the two platforms. Once that's set, you'll find a Go button.